Hello, and welcome to the Fogler Library tutorial about how to search for audio or video using the LibrarySearch catalog. The LibrarySearch catalog is an online library catalog you can use to find materials held by libraries in the University of Maine system. The search interface on the catalog homepage is a simple search. Beneath the search bar, you can select a certain type of material you want to find, either books, articles, video, or audio content. First, I'll search for a music recording of the piece The Entertainer by Scott Joplin. I'll type in the phrase, The Entertainer, with quotation marks around it so that the search engine knows to look for those two words together and in that order. Next, I'll make sure the audio option below the search bar is selected. The search results tell me that there are multiple versions of this piece available, so I'll click on the title to see the different versions. In this 6-item list, some of the recordings of The Entertainer are available online, and others are available in a recorded format, on a CD or a vinyl record. I want to find one that's available online, so I click on the title of the first result. Under the heading View Online, there's a link, as well as a note telling me that this recording is available to anyone on the University of Maine or University of Maine at Machias campus. If one of the other UMaine campuses were listed instead of this one, I wouldn't be able to listen to the recording. I'm going to click on the link labeled Access Online Resource. This takes me into the Naxos Music Library database and right to the recording I was looking for. I'm going to click on the checkbox next to the piece of music I want to listen to, The Entertainer, and then click the triangular play button at the bottom center of the screen to listen to the song. Second, I'll search for a video recording of the film The Secret Life of Bees. I'm going to type in the title of the film and then click on the option labeled Video/Film. Again, there are multiple versions of this, so I'm going to click on the title of the first result. You may notice that the list of results has only one option labeled as a video. The other two options are labeled as books. I'm going to click on the title of the video option. Under the heading Locations, there are 2 DVD copies of this film listed, one at Fort Kent and one at Portland. You can click on each location to see if the copy of the film there is loanable, meaning that you can request that it be delivered to Fogler for you to check out. When I do this, I discover that the copy of the film at Fort Kent is loanable, but the copy in Portland isn't. If I want to borrow this DVD, I need to click on the link labeled Sign in for more options, log in with my Main Street username and password, and then click on the request link to request the DVD. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you have questions, please get in touch with the librarian using the contact information on the catalog homepage. We'll be happy to help you.